Well, good news coming in for Bhaji fans. The Terminator will be back in action against his favourite opponents. Harbhajan Singh, the Terminator, is all set to play his 100th Test match against Australia. In a tweet, BCCI has confirmed that Australia's nemesis will be in the playing 11 for the first Test starting tomorrow in Chennai. Now, Bhaji, who was dropped after the third Test against England in Mumbai, has made a comeback in the Gujarat series against his favourite opponents. In 99 tests so far, Bhaji has picked up 408 wickets at an average of 32, and he certainly would like to add a few more against the Aussies. In fact, his record against Australia is special, having picked up a whopping 90 wickets in 16 tests. On Indian soil, the record is even more special, accounting for 81 wickets in 12 test matches at an average of 24. We have Gaurav Gala, sports editor, joining us live from the newsroom. Gaurav, this is very good news for Bhaji fans, but really, can he do a year 2001 again on Australia is the big question.
That's something that all Indian cricket fans would be hoping for. As far as Harbhajan is concerned, he's waited a very long time for this 100th Test match. He's been patient as well, and now he's forced his way back into this Indian side. And of course, the fact that he's got such a formidable record, Vedika, against Australia is again one of the reasons why he's been brought into the playing 11. The very fact that they've announced that Harbhajan will be playing means that he was very much in the plans of the management of this Indian side, and the captain, of course, showing a lot of faith in him now, given the fact that we're playing against Australia. Let's not forget, last Test series here on Indian soil, Harbhajan was dropped after playing one Test match in Mumbai, where it was alleged that, the captain did not show too much faith in him, did not bowl him as much as the other two spinners in the side. So the fact that a day before the Test match, Bhaji's been announced as being in the playing 11 just goes to show that he now again enjoys the confidence of the captain, and that can only be a good thing for Indian cricket and for Harbhajan himself.
Also, he's seen as one key player, Gaurav, as far as the mind games is concerned, as far as Australia and India mind games on field is concerned.
That's right. I mean, Harbhajan has throughout his career never been shy to voice his opinions, to share his thoughts, be it off the field or be it on the field as well. And of course, he was one of the central figures in that very unfortunate incident of Monkeygate that took place in Australia. But he's somebody who does not keep his thoughts to himself. If he's being sledged out on the field, he's likely to give it back just as much, if not come back harder at the opponent. So that's something that's going to be very interesting to see as well. Harbhajan Singh, a feisty character on the field of play, and that's the kind of character the Indians would need, because the Aussies, known for their sledging, known for their tactics to intimidate the opposition players, and Harbhajan Singh would certainly be an ace up Mahendra Singh Dhoni's sleeve on that front as well.